Well, you know what time it is. World of Dragons time. What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to share with you my recent Provident Metals pickup. Now, as you know, my wife has me collecting dragon rounds and coins, and so I had to obviously pick up the World of Dragons box for the 6 coin set to go in. Or actually, it's a 12 coin set if you get the silver and the copper. But if you get the silver, you have to get the copper, and then you have to get the box. It's just one of those things that you have to do when you're collecting the dragon rounds. Now, usually when I do my unboxings from Provident Metal, I always try to show you how it was packaged and shipped, because I've always been happy with the secure way that they have shipped my items to me. I had done this on this video. I had already recorded it, and then now I'm making a new video because whenever I got the stuff out of the box, this is what I found. You can kind of see it there. Let me move the camera. As you see, this has it comes off. I keep trying to push it down. I try to set something on top of it. It just does not adhere to the box. So I didn't want to post that video until after I talked to Provident Metals about this box right here. So one thing I have to say is I'm extremely happy with Provident Metals and how they handled my issue with this box. I called, I left my number, and within an hour someone was calling me back trying to figure out what the issue was and trying to remedy the problem. So another thing that I'm extremely happy about with the customer service that they showed me is that although I was past my 5-day grace period, basically within 5 days you got to call them or contact them and let them know that there's an issue with your order. I was past that 5 days. They looked at my account, seen the orders that I had been making, and they said, you know, it's the holidays, you're an outstanding customer, so we are still going to remedy this problem for you. So they asked me if I could send them pictures of this so that they could see what they were dealing with, and so that they didn't have these issues in the future. Of course, I did that. They said they would call me back, and within an hour they called me back, let me know that they are going to fix the problem, obviously, and that I don't even have to send the box back in. They will send me a new dragon box as soon as it is in stock. It is not in stock right now, but as soon as it is, they're going to send me a confirmation number, give me a tracking number so that I know when my box is being shipped. Now, to me, that is amazing customer service. Of course, this is not a paid program or anything, or a paid advertisement or anything like that, but I just wanted to let everybody know how happy I was with Provident Metals on my first ever issue. And this isn't even the bullion that I buy, or the silver rounds or anything like that. This is, you know, just like some miscellaneous stuff, and they want to rectify that. So I'm very happy with Provident Metals on my purchase. So let's talk about what it is that I picked up on this purchase this time. Obviously, I pushed it over $99. That way I could get free shipping. Who doesn't like free shipping? So we got the box, of course. We've been talking about that for several minutes, and then I got 3 of each one of these as well. It is the Indian Dragon, the newest release for the World of Dragons series. The reverses are always the same. They got the reverse, the eye on the reverse. But yeah, so if you get the silver, you have to get the copper, and then you have to get the box to put them all in, and then you have to get the airtights as well, so that obviously it protects them from all of the elements. But really happy with this purchase. I also got a few airtights for my other World of Dragons series that were in the bigger airtights that I already had. Alright, so this is what we have, and I've tried to do everything to keep this light off of it, and it just keeps picking the light up. I don't know what to do. We have the Aztec dragon, we have the Welsh dragon, we have the Chinese dragon. You pull this tray out right here, then you got the Norse dragon back here, and then also now the Chinese dragon. We have one more set of coins to go, or rounds to go right here. We'll have another silver, another copper whenever the next release is released, and looking forward to finishing this set from Provident Metal. Very happy with the World of Dragons series, of course. And my only question is this: should I, and there will be a question up here if you don't mind answering it, or you can answer it down in the comments. What do you prefer? Should I have all the silver on the top and then have all of the copper down below, or should I have it set up like I do, silver, copper, and then so on. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. Let me know what you think about Provident. Their customer service is amazing. We handled this in one day, so I'm very happy about that. So until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Obviously, tell me what you think down below. And until next time, good luck.